Welcome to the Exam Coach's 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is tyrant. It is pronounced Tyrant, and it is spelt Tyrannt. Think tie, spelt Ty, and then rant, Rant. A tyrant is a ruler or leader who uses their power in a cruel and oppressive way, often to the detriment of their people. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone who is not a fair or just leader. For example, you could say, the old king was a tyrant who oppressed his people. Or, the head teacher was a tyrant who ruled with an iron fist. I hope you haven't had to say that lately. The word tyrant comes from the Greek word tyrannos, which means absolute ruler. A tyrant often thinks they are the only and absolute ruler. They have complete authority. In the video game Super Mario Bros., the main villain is Bowser, a large, powerful, fire-breathing turtle. Bowser is often referred to as a tyrant as he repeatedly tries to take over the Mushroom Kingdom and enslave its citizens. But luckily, the Mushroom Kingdom is protected by Mario and, of course, Luigi. Synonyms for tyrant include despot, dictator, oppressor, and autocrat. Antonyms for tyrant are liberator, democrat, and just leader. Impress your friends and family by using a new word today, tyrant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.